Hi guys, welcome to week 5, habits. So habits, if you're a habitual creature, awesome, good, bad, love habits, hate them. For most of us, our life is a sequence of habits. Have you ever tried breaking down everything that you do? Before you even go to work in the morning, you'll find that most of our life is a series of small habits. On good days, our habits are good and they push us forward. They keep us going, they keep us motivated, and they keep making changes happen. It's the bad habits, though, that stop us. And for most of us on here, I think our bad habits come down to our mindset. It's very easy when we start feeling we're failing or that it's all getting too much to go back into the I'm fine routine. And I think over the last maybe 2 weeks, I've noticed a few of you that are doing this. It all seems too big. It all seems too hard. It seems too complicated. You're either telling yourself that it's not for you or it's not working or that you're not putting in the effort. And that's bullcrap. Because what happens is you're thinking too big. You haven't made those small goals. You haven't made the small changes. You're not writing the stuff down. It's really easy to get back to being fine, to think that you're failing at this because you're not motivated enough. But that's not correct. So if you're starting to feel like that or starting to switch off, reassess where you're at. Go back to week 1 and find your motivation. Start looking again at being conscious. Yes, I know it hurts sometimes. Your brain explodes. But you now have 4 weeks behind you. So go from being unconscious to conscious. Go from sitting down and being mindful. Write down those goals, regardless of how little they are. And all good habits are is creating those goals so they can last a lifetime. Now I realize a lot of this material is fairly heavy and fairly big. But even if you just keep on going with one thing from each week, you're going to be so much further ahead by the end of next week than you were 6 weeks ago. So try and identify, using the spreadsheet or the worksheet attached to this email, to identify the bad habits that hold you back. Then look at the good habits that you can change these with. Looking at your cue, your routine, and your rewards. I'm here for you guys, and I really want you to do well at this. So if you are feeling that it's a bit too overwhelming or that it's getting a bit too much, break it down. Set those smaller goals and use me for help. I'm here when you need me. All right, guys, have a great week. I hope you have a good weekend and stay... Oops, you've had the weekend. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.